Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Division 101 and today's tutorial is all about how to create folder or multiple folder inside our document in our computer, and also how to download pictures from the internet in our folder. So let's get started. To start with, this is our computer now, and our document usually here in the folder down here. So in our folder we have our document. Okay, so this is our document. Now the first thing we are going to do is to create first our main folder. So usually if we have our class, we have our student, we name the folder with the name of our student. So for example, you right click your mouse, right click, and you can see new, click new folder, and after that you will rename, for example, Debbie 3A. So we have our my folder now, Debbie 3A. Now if you can see, if you open this folder is empty. You can see this folder is empty. So when we go back, this folder is nothing inside here. So let's open this one and then right click again, and we will create 3 folders inside. Okay, so go to new, first folder, first one. So we will rename, for example, this one, we will download pictures later on about birds. So birds. Okay, so we have our one folder about birds. Next, another, click new, right click your mouse and then folder again. And then we will write flags, for example, flags. So our second folder is about flags. And then next, click new again. And then the third folder is about flowers. Okay, so we have 3 folders now inside our main folder, that is birds, flags, and flowers. So if you go back here in our folder, for example, Debbie 3A folder, when you open that one, double click, you can see there are 3 folders. I will make it bigger. So there are 3 folders inside, but these folders also is empty. So when you open that one, the first folder about birds, empty. The second folder is still empty about flags. And the third folder about flowers is still empty. So this is how to create folders in our document so that we can separate our document based on the categories that we put in. So if you can see here, if I click the bird, you can see that the orientation is like this. This PC, documents, then your folder, DB3A, and then birds. Okay, so now we have 3 folders. The next thing we are going to do is to download pictures. For this tutorial video, I only download 3 pictures for each of the folder. So to start again, how to download, so we will just close this one first, and then we will go to our browser. I am using Google Chrome. So here I will write birds. So after that, click image, and then you choose the birds you want. For example, here the first one, then you right click, then save image as. So this time not copy image, but you need to click save image as. Save image as, and it will ask about where you are going to save your picture. So go to the document, and then next to your folder, double click, and then go to birds, click open. After you click open, the next is click save. If you want to rename your bird, for example, what bird is this? This is North American bird, so North. So you can just key in North American bird. Before you save, you rename your bird. Now later on, I will show you how to save first and then rename after. So this one, I what I did is I saved the file first and then rename and then click save. Now, if you can see, just close it. If you can see, go to your folder, document, and then go to your folder, and then you can see that in your folder there is one bird now, American bird. Okay, let's do it again. Close. Select another bird. For example, this one. This is bluebird. Okay, so right click, do it again, save image as. This time, go to document, and then go to your folder, bird, and then I will not rename that one anymore. I will just click and save, and then save. Okay, another bird. Okay, let me see this one. So what you're going to do, save as, then go to your document, folder, double click birds, and then save. Now, if you go now to your folder, we will check our folder, go to document, click your folder, and then click the birds. You have 3 birds now saved in your folder. So if you can check documents, your folder's name and the birds is here now in your folder. Do the same with the other folder. So just close it. The next folder that we create is about flags of different countries. Okay, so we will do it the same. So for example, England. Okay, so this is United Kingdom flag. So right click, save image as, and then go to document, this time not in the birds but in the flags. So I will be saving 3 flags. Okay, and then close. Choose again what flag you like. For example, Thailand flag. Okay, so Thailand flag. So for example, this one. I want to choose this one, this flag. Right click, save image as, go to your document, folder, flag, open, and then save. Another flag, for example, Japan. Okay, choose one flag. Okay, for example, this one. I like this picture. This one, right click, save image as, then go to your document again, double click, go to flag, open, and then save. Okay, so let's try to check in your folder if the flag is there already. So go to document, click the folder, click the flags, and then you can see the flag is here. Now if you want to rename this one, you can also rename by double clicking this one, by clicking and then right click your mouse and then rename, and you can rename this one as Japan flag. This one is Thailand and this one is United Kingdom. Also you can rename by right clicking your mouse, rename, and then you can write United Kingdom flag. Okay, so that's how simple we rename the pictures of the flags. So now the next document that we have is, the next folder is about flowers. So close, write flowers, and then click, and you can see different flowers. All you need to do is to click, right click, save image as, and then after that go to document, your folder, double click, flowers, open, and then save. First flower you save. Next, let's go to the second flower. Right click, save image as, then go to your document, folder, flowers, open, and then save. Then third flower, right click, save image as. Okay, right click, save image as, and after that download, document, folder, flowers, and then save. Now close this one in your browser, close, and then open your folder, and we will check if your document is complete. So we have our flowers, click, you have 3 flowers. If you want to rename this one, you can rename by clicking right click, rename. For example, this one is rose, click, This one, we will just name this one as pink flower. Pink, okay. And this one, maybe, what is this? Orange, okay. Just for example, orange flower, okay. So if you can see now, you have flowers inside your folder that is flowers. So in your document, you have your folder and you can see it's complete now. Okay, so that is how to create folder in your document. Okay, and also how to create another folder inside your folder document. So hope you learned something this time in our tutorial. This is Division 101. Thank you for listening. Until next, for our next video tutorial. Have a nice day, everyone.